me see recording is started or not. But also it is in our real life also. Okay. Just now I had said what profit, okay, your parents are getting from you, or what benefit you are giving to them. So of course, everything is calculated. How you are in a sport, that also matters. How you are in a study, that also matters. If you are good in studies, of course, on the basis of that you will be getting preferences from your parents. If they are in any home, there are 3-4 child or might be 2 child only, then also the parents compare. If from that 2, one who is reading well, whose result is good, he or she is always praised, and one whose result is in comparison to this one, this child, okay, if another has got less, then he is always said, no, he is not reading, see his percentage is this much, his percentage is not this much. So comparison is going on. Who is in profit, who is in loss, these all things, of course, in daily life, everything it is going on. By reading, not only during the result time you get the benefit, during whole year you will be getting the benefit from your both. Okay, in home I think might be you will be having brother and sister. If you will get better marks than from your brother and sister, then you will be praised everywhere. So everywhere there is profit and loss, not only in buying and selling the things. Of course, in buying and selling the things, there is a perfect formula to calculate it, and on remaining thing, we just feel. Identify overhead expenses. Do you know what overhead expenses means? Overhead expenses means the expenses which is done on bringing the things or goods to the shop. Like suppose anyone bought, okay, 2 lakhs good, 2 lakhs goods from Delhi, okay, and in transportation he have to pay 5,000 rupees. Then this 5,000 rupees becomes overhead expenses. This is not the price of this goods. Okay, so this is becoming overhead expenses. So this will be also added in cost price itself. While calculating the benefit, this will be added in cost price, and after this the benefit will be kept. Getting me? I'm not getting reply from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now after that, there comes define mark price and selling price and discount associated with article. Of course, after reading this, you should know what mark price is, what selling price is, what discount is. Okay. So, do you know what mark price means? If you will go at what say mall or shop, what happens? There is a sticker kept over there where the price is written. Rupees.
Yes,
That
sir.
is only marked price, 1500 or 1600. So that is only marked price. MP also it is said, or MRP also sometimes person says, that is maximum retail price. The person cannot charge more than that. MRP means maximum retail price, and MP means marked price. Now, suppose a Sparky jeans cost rupees 1500 and shopkeeper is providing 15% discount. So of course 75 rupees less he have to give, and the price will become how much? The customer price will become how much? 1425. So this becomes what the customer pays for the things, that becomes selling price, SP. Getting it?
No, sir. Once more, sir.
Suppose a jeans price is 1500 Okay, shop is giving 15% discount on the Sparky jeans, then the customer has to pay 15% less of 1500. That means 75% is discount. Sorry,
Yes,
75
sir.
rupees. 15% of 1500 becomes 75 rupees. So 75 rupees becomes discount. That will be discount is always subtracted from marked price. So of course, and selling price is only MP minus discount. That means marked price minus discount. From marked price, when we remove discount, then there comes selling price. That's why here I had written selling price is equal to 1425. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So clear mark price, selling price, and then after discount.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, okay, after reading this, we will be knowing about goods and service tax, which short form is GST. You might have okay listened after before few years only GST has been okay kept by removing all other tax. Earlier it used to be sales tax, then after value added tax, and many other tax were also there. So all those tax has been removed and single tax has been kept, that is goods and service tax. Of course, on some price, some things, the tax is 14%. So in some there is 28%. So that also we will be knowing how to keep GST. And of course, GST is added on selling price. SP, that you have to remember when you will be okay doing the exercise at that time. Also, again we will be discussing. So here it comes. Let us recap. Okay, in earlier classes you have read that the percent means per 100. Of course, this percent came from okay American word. Like we are in our locality, if you will see or if you will ask okay your parents, then they will say yes, persons are giving money. In need of money, we can get money, but we are being charged interest for the money, and for that money we it is being taken 2 rupees, 3 rupees charge every month. They will say that means 2 rupees per 100 rupees every month, or 3 rupees per every
Sir, your
per
sound
100
is
rupees every month.
fluctuating.
Is my sound fluctuating for everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's clear. No, sir. Sir, your video
Okay.
is not able.
My
Sir,
video
your
is not
sound
seen,
is
yes?
sir, it
Yes,
is fluctuating and
sir.
screen is also black.
My screen is also black?
Yeah, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
I think others have just what say
No,
problem.
no, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
That's why
Not black.
not black. So I think you are having network problem. That's why you all are okay getting
Sir,
such
rain is occurring.
rain is occurring. Okay, no problem. In that case, of course, your video is off itself. Okay. Try to be in that place in your home where there is better network.
Sir, too much rain occurring.
Okay, so no problem, handle it. Sometime it happens. And of course, the meeting is being recorded, so I'll be keeping it on my channel also, so that further you can watch that. I was saying
Okay.
that percentage came from American, okay, a word that is cent. Cent, like in our country, for in 1 rupees there is 100 paisa, okay, 100 paise. In same way, in once, okay, in $1 there used to be, in $1 there used to be 100 cents. So out of $1, how much cent is being charged? That only further became as percent. Understood? That means out of 100, how much part we have to give, that is percent. That's only here it has been said percent means per 100. Thus 30% means 30 per 100. That means 30 out of 100. When we say 5%, that means 5 out of 100. So 5 by 100 into 80 we are doing 5% of 80 if we have to find. Getting it? Fractions and decimals, not understanding? Did you understood what percentage means and how it is being calculated?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So fraction and decimal both can be converted into, even we can convert fraction into percentage by multiplying it with 100. Even decimals can be converted by multiplying it with 100. So it has been written also by multiplying the fraction or decimal by 100. In same way, a ratio can be converted into percentage by first writing the ratio as fraction. We can write ratio as fraction and then we will be multiplying with it 100. As you can see here, it has been shown also. If it is 4:5, then it can be written by 4 by 5. And when it is multiplied with 100, it gives the percentage, that is 80%. Getting it? Yes? Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, we will be moving towards percentage can be converted to decimals and fractions. We can convert percentage into decimals and fraction. How we will be converting percentage into decimal and fractions? When we divide percentage with 100, then it will go in decimal. And when we divide, of course, then it goes in fractions too. In both cases, we will be dividing. For changing into percentage, we multiply decimal and fraction with 100. And for changing percentage into decimal or fraction, we divide it with 100, just opposite. Getting me? Yes?
Sir, in fraction also, and sir, in divide, sir. Sir, means
Yes,
sir,
yes.
in
If we have,
fraction, both we will divide with 100.
yes, if you have to change percentage into fraction or decimal, then you have to divide it with 100. Okay? Now here comes percentage can be expressed as a ratio of first converting the percentage into fraction and then writing the fraction as ratios. Of course, we can show percentage in ratios also. At first, we can change percentage into fraction, then we can write it in ratio. Okay?
Sir,
Like
how,
if it is
sir? Give me one
25%.
example.
Yes, I am showing like it is 25%. When we will divide it with 100, then it will change into fraction. It will become 25 by 100. This is the fraction. That is 1 by 4 becomes the fraction. And now
Yes, sir,
1 by
got.
4 can be written in ratios as 1:4. This becomes the ratio.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And last point, if you will see here, it has been said the percentage of increase or decrease in any quantity or amount is calculated by the formula, that is percentage of increase or decrease by original quantity or amount into 100%. This is the formula of calculating percentage of increase or decrease in anything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now if you will see, there
This is
comes
the
warm up
homework.
exercise. Yes, this will become today's homework. Convert the following into percentage. So simply you have to multiply it with 100 to change it into percentage.
With 100,
I
no,
hope all
sir.
of you. Yes, with 100. And at last there will be the sign of percentage also.
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you will be able to make this question number 1. Is it?
Yes, sir, we can. Sir.
After that, okay, I'll be explaining you question number 2 then. Convert the following percentage as indicated into decimal. Of course, you divide it with 100, you will get into decimal. Wherever it has been said into decimal fraction, everywhere you have to divide it with 100. Clear? Just for a second.
Yes, sir. Sir, in question number 3, sir. So what we will do, sir?
Okay. So no doubt in question number 1 and 2.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So in same way it has been said to find 1.2%
Sir,
of the
one doubt
200.
is there, sir.
Yes, say.
So one doubt is there. Sir, sir, question number 2E, sir. E1, sir.
Sir, 2F, sir.
Sir,
Okay, let's
2E.
see. Okay, E and F both
Sir,
are
2F.
clearing the C over here. In E, what happens? Of course, we have to change it to ratio. So we will be dividing it with 100. It will become 0.25 by 100. Okay, when this point will be removed, there will be coming 2 more 0. It will become 25 by 10,000.
What,
We
sir?
know 25 into 4 is 100. So 4 it will be, and 2 0 will be there. Nothing of that means 1. So it will become 1 by 400. And in ratio, it will become 1:400. Got it? Yes?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. God.
Okay. In same way, in F also you will be doing 125 by 100. When percentage will be removed, below comes 100. Now here 25 into 5 is 125 and 25 into 4 is 100. So it will become 5 by 4. 5:4. Okay, you can write at first 5 by 4. Then in next step you can write 5:4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
What?
Sir, in question number 3, sir. Sir,
Yes.
we will do 1.2 by 100. 1.2 by 100. Sir, percent is there, so we will take the 100, and the point is there. Then we will give 1 0, sir.
Yes,
And
yes.
then
It will become 12 by 1000 into
multiply
200.
with 200.
Yes. Of this
Yes, sir.
multiplication.
That only.
Clear?
Sir, C1 also.
C1 also. Okay,
Yes.
C, that means 3 1 by 3 percent into fraction. So this can be also written, C number can also be written as 3 1 by 3. Okay, and when percentage will be removed, the below it will be coming 100. Or it is 3 1 by 3 by 100 it will become. So it will become, okay, 3 3 is 9, 9 1 10, so 10 by 3. And nothing below 100, that means 1. When it will go up, it will become 1 by 100. So 10 10 is 100. And it will become 1 by 30. 3 10 is 30. So of course it has been said to write in fraction only, so this will only become the answer. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll be moving towards 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, all will be the same, similar only. These are now word problem. What percentage of 30 is 1200? What percentage is 30 of 1200? So in this case, what you will be doing? You will be doing 30 by 1200 into 100%. What it will come? That will become the answer.
Sir, we will just do the
Getting me?
1200 by 30 and into
No,
100.
30 by 1200. 30 of 1200 below into 100.
Oh, 30 up and 1200 down.
Yes, 2.5% will be the answer. 2.5% of 1200 is 30. In same way, what it has been said in question number 5, it has been said 40 is 30% of what number? So here you will assume, yes,
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
is it not visible for
No,
everyone?
sir, it's visible.
Visible, sir.
Visible,
Sir.
sir.
To me,
Visible.
it is
That means
visible.
your network weak is there. So what you can do is you can join it once again if it is so, or you can see the network speed where it is better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here it has been said 40% of 40 is 30% of what number? So in that case, you will assume x, let the number be x. Then 30% of x is equal to 40, and then you will be solving it. You will be able to solve, or I should explain this.
Sir, if you press so it has given. Sir, we will.
Okay, you will solve. Okay.
Sir,
Then
let's
in same
make
way,
us one time.
Multiply x and equals to 40.
okay, make now one time it has came, so I will
Sir.
be making. Okay. Yes. So I'm writing
Sir,
here.
we will,
Let the
sir,
number
we will
be
do
x.
the 30 by
Let us give us one
30
chance
by
to solve by
100.
our own.
Yes, no problem. Let the number be x, like this we will be doing. Then according to question, okay. Sometimes it write thick, sometimes it becomes thin. Questions according to question. Question only you will be writing, not questions. Single question is there. What it will be there? 30% of x. 30% of x is equal to 40. Okay, then when percentage will be removed, of course below it will come 100. It will become 30 by 100 into x is equal to 40. And when this 30 by 100 goes another side, then it will become x is equal to 40 into 100. Divide will change into multiply, and multiply will go as divide. So 0, 0, it got cancelled. It becomes 400 by 3. Okay, that is 3 1 ja 3, again 1 and 10 3 3 ja 9, again 1, so 133.33 it can be written, or 1 by 3 also it can be written. Got it? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in same way, if you will see question number 7, okay, and 6, then there also the same thing. It has been given in 7. Sikha scored 480 marks in her final examination, which was 24 marks more than the score in half yearly. Find the increased percentage. So how you will be finding the increased percentage? Do you know?
Yes, sir. The
How?
amount of increase upon original quantity into 100%.
So what will be here? Okay, amount. Okay, original quantity.
Sir, first we have to find the how much amount was increased, sir.
Okay, how much it has been increased? Huh?
Sir,
It has been
here,
said
sir.
24 marks has been increased. So at top it will
Yes,
be
sir.
24. Okay, Sikha scored 480 in her final examination, which is 24 mark more than her earlier examinations. That means in earlier examination, how much she had got? She has got 480 minus 24. Is it? No, 56 it will become, not 66. Getting it? How you will get? You will from simply you will from 480 you will be subtracting
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
26. and then after into 100% you will be doing and you will be getting the answer. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In same way, if you will see the last
Sir.
question, question number 8, yes.
Sir, can you show the process, sir, how we will make, sir?
Of course, that only I had said increased percentage is equal to 24 by 456 into 100. If you want to add earlier than this, then you can say here already written, so you can say marks in which half yearly is equal to marks scored in half yearly, that also you can write marks scored in half yearly is equal to 480 minus 24, that you can write, and then you can write. For more betterment, what you can do, even you can write formula before writing this number. Getting it? Before this, you can write formula, that is increase the amount by total amount into 100%. Got it? This is the formula, increase the amount by total amount into 100%. Clear to everyone? And then after you have to solve. Yes. So I hope you will be able to solve this further. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now understand, sir.
So now if you will see the last question, okay. It has been said the height in a plant increased from 65 to 71 centimeter in a week. Find the increase percent. Here also you can say increased length is equal to 71 centimeter minus 65 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter, and increased percentage in week is equal to 6 by 65 into 100%, and you will be finding.
Yes.
Okay. So as I can
Yes,
see,
sir.
your time has been also completed. So you will be completing this warm up exercise and you will be reading the further text so that I can explain you next day and you all will be understanding it more properly. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I am ending the class. Thank you everyone. Before that, I will be
And
downloading attendance at first and I will be stopping recording.
And sir, you also upload this recording on Teams, sir.
Teams today itself.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You